Hey guys, thank you for stopping by. I have Happy Mail. I'm down here on the floor. I'm getting ready to unbox this. Oh my God, this is my stevia plants. I don't know what's in here. This is the first plants that I have received in the mail. Everything else has been bought. So we're just gonna get in here and open this up without doing any damage. First, I'm going to take off my packaging slip. Yes. All right. Sometimes you just got to rip it. Let me see. I can't even remember. Oh my goodness, stevia plants, guys. I am so excited to have these. Oh my goodness. Yep, throw the trash away. Let me see. Okay. It says stevia plants. 3 plants in 3 separate 4-inch pots. So there's 3 plants in here in 4-inch pots each. Oh my goodness. These came from Daylily Nursery in Tennessee. I've never had anything from Daylily Nursery before. I've never ordered plants on the internet before. I've either picked up seeds and started the plants, or I picked up the plants and started the plants. But this is the first time I've ordered live plants, and I didn't actually order these. These were a gift from my son. He ordered these for me. We were just talking about it one day in the kitchen. Next thing I knew, he said they would be here. I actually expected them to arrive on the 22nd of this month. And they're here today. This was the 18th. Woohoo! I just did a live, guys, and I was saying on the live that they should be here the 22nd, and I would probably do a live when they arrive. But when I got off live, there was this box there, and it was waiting on me. Yes! I've got happy mail. Oh, snap. Let me get in. I don't want to cut the, yes, I'm that person that wants to open everything neatly. I am that person. At least I am today. Yes, I am that person today. And I'm not sure how they were just standing up when I got it. Okay, I can rip that off because that's just a mailing label. Let's put this tape back here so it won't get stuck on anything else. Yes, I'm being that person. Woohoo. Okay. Let's see what we got, guys. Let's see what we got. Yes, I'm peeking. Don't judge. You know what you can do instead of judge? Subscribe. Subscribe and tap that bell. Give me a thumbs up and leave me some comments. Don't judge. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. They're tall. They're as tall as this box, I think. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm going to have to vacuum. I probably need to do that anyway. I probably should have did that before I did the video. Don't judge. I'm tired. I don't want to vacuum. Oh my goodness. Yes. I got some plants, y'all. Oh my goodness. I don't know how to get into this box without tearing it apart. Oh my goodness. I don't have anything to pop put these in. I don't have another pot. I gotta get another pot like tomorrow. Oh my goodness. Oh, and oh. Y'all say, open it up and let us see. Okay, I'm coming. I'm trying to, okay, maybe I should do it like this. Maybe I should stand it up. Can y'all still see? And I need to get this top untaped, because that's what's keeping it from opening. And they're tall, so I don't want to pull them out from the bottom. Where y'all go? Hello. Hello. Woo-hoo. I guess y'all say chef being silly. No, chef is being chef. This is the chef that you all don't see on camera. But I'm over on container crops, so I'm not the chef right now. So I get to be the other me. Hey, I got some plants, y'all. I got some plants. Oh, sookie now. Yes. Maybe I should take each piece of tape off before I show you the plants. What do you think? I got Happy Meal, you ain't got none. Hey. I got Happy Meal, you ain't got none. Anybody else would like to send me some Happy Meal? The mailing information is in the description of this video and any other video I have. Hey, I love Happy Meal. I need seeds. I need plants. I need a dehydrator. I need seeds. I need plants. I need a dehydrator. Y'all say if she don't open that box. Hey. Okay, I'm sorry, y'all. Listen. Enough. Let's get it open. Enough, I said. Oh, Sookie, boy, they got this thing taped up for good. You know what? They did a good job. I don't know how it's supposed to be. Like I said, this is my first time ever ordering something. But I'm still struggling over it. Okay, here it comes. Got another piece off. Oh, gotta get to the top now. Okay, y'all can't see that far. I didn't know they were gonna be this tall, so I set the camera kind of low. I really did think they were gonna be little plants like this. So I might have to adjust some settings for you all to see, but I gotta get this top loose first. Ooh. Lady led, if you're looking, I got stevia plants. Hallelujah. Yes. Okay. Off we come. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh, I've got some research to do because I don't know what I'm supposed to do. All I know is I wanted stevia plants. I'm getting ready to find out between tonight and tomorrow. Oh, they're wet, so that's good. I mean, they're not wet, but look, guys. Oh, can anybody tell me if this is, and look, they got the bamboo pole on them because I guess eventually I'm going to need that. I guess, eventually. What you think? Oh my God, they got flowers on them. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm just excited. This is one plant. Oh, I got lipstick everywhere. Okay, we'll rub that in, get that off. I am not editing this video. It is what it is. Oh my goodness. Yes. Okay, guys, plant number 2. Plant number 2. I'll make sure they stand up. I want it to fall over. I better sit it next to this one because this one seems pretty stable. So I can get this one out. Oh, this got a lot of dirt in it. I'm going to have to get something to sit these on tonight. And I'm going to have to do some research because I don't know. I mean, I know how to replant them, but I don't know the care of them and everything. I really want to taste a leaf right now. Y'all think I should? Huh? Hallelujah! Ooh. I got my stevia plants. I got my stevia plants. Yes. Yes. Guys, I have my stevia plants. Here's 3 of them. And I cannot wait to replant them and to get them going and growing. I'm going to do some research tonight to make sure I do everything right because I am ecstatic. Can you tell? Can you tell? Can you tell? Well, that's it. I just wanted to unbox these. I'll give you guys an update when I get ready to plant them. We'll do this all again and we'll plant them together. And until next time, thank you so much for coming and helping me unbox these beautiful, wonderful plants. I don't smell anything. They just smell green. But they probably taste so good, so good. Stevia, stevia, stevia. Yes! All right, guys. Oh, my goodness. Guys, give me a thumbs up. Share it out. Share it out, share it out, share it out, guys. Oh my goodness, leave me some comments. Any of you guys out there growing stevia plants, please, please, please let me know what I should do, things I shouldn't do, how soon I need to get these in a real pot. Because it'll probably be Tuesday or Wednesday before I do. I have to assume since the shipping was supposed to be the 22nd that will be okay. They feel damp and moist, so they're good and wet, so I don't have to worry about that. And I don't have any heat on or anything like that in my house, so all is good there as far as dryness is concerned. And guys, thank you so much again for hanging out with me while I'm acting crazy. I appreciate each one of you all. I love you and you and you and you and you and you over there and you over there and y'all back there and all of y'all. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload a video, guys. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.